You want to have texture walls? Don't go pay someone. All you need is plywood and cut it in curves. Once you have them all cut out, it's time to add a generous amount of glue. Once we're done, we're gonna get rid of the glue and we switch it for some silicone. One day later, when everything is nice and dry, we're gonna go in with a little brush, do all the corners and the edges free-handed. Now let's take out the big brush. This step can require 2 if not even 3 layers. It depends how thick your paint is and also how much difference in color you have between your wall and the wood paneling, but I can assure you the result is gonna be amazing. Now do not forget to subscribe to follow along the full makeover of my room, because next week we're making the bed and the side tables and the lights. It's gonna be an incredible journey.